This is the finished product. You know, we got the popcorn chicken. That's what I call it. Why you can't tell me nothing? So who? My bad man.
I'll go on vlog. No day. You better when they just come on the road yesterday. So the vlog wanna forget that the vlog 148 I think. Yo GPS I worse, you know. I try to render the vlog there, cause the vlog kinda long. So I say alright, I sit there for render before I go on my bed. GPS take away light must be about 7 times in a row people. I frig up the thing. So right now I left here yard a render. Hopefully light not go away again. But like the place I set up for rain. I'm telling you in another vlog there's some other company road if rain. Because you know it's cool and everything. But then again like usually go away when rain set up the fall, so it's a stress. So guys, look at supermarket with the running, so wholesale. Grab a couple things and then touch up on the ends, isn't it? And I think that what pissed me off now is that I can't really go to the beach where I would want to go. Ever since we don't have a car, I reach there because it's a good distance walk. And then the time that when me usually go, it kind of not make sense to walk them the time there. Is it? So, boy, oh boy.
Where you go? You haven't go already for him pussy. That man kill him one for him.
Exactly.
So you not kill him for him born with brother.
Let's go on there, eh?
After him, you born with it.
Alright.
Yeah. You born with him, brother. Born with it.
One of the many encounters of people just just telling you what's going on in your life that I've had. I'm just there just going about my business and then people they just tell me. They just look at me. I don't understand it. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm going to turn on like a counselor of some sort. I'm not really on a good advice for you. If I not hear what I go on, I grown mess, you see? When we see the little droplets of rain, right? You know who start panicking now? Because me have the video render. Me have vlog 148 render. Yo, this man look weird, cause I look like I just I know me understand why. Cause some people recognize me a while ago, so she has me look different. Now me understand why. Cause me have this little mustache, the mustache, and then it look kinda look like a old man. And my beard not really sure. You know? Look. You get a different look than when this day right as so. Now me understand why she say me look different. Oh, look like somebody uncle, we drink rum, but he ain't clean same way. I am somebody's uncle. My uncle with several people. And I do drink rum. Oh boy, K2K man. If you don't think say gone, you see, gone in there, you see me. I can't make people on the road see them things. Yo, I like that you know. They got my sister will get me that here. I like it man. Cause I kinda fitted my glass under it and them thing there and bring the curve. You know? But I wait for do I think if I go back on the road. Cause I do want some lettuce. I should have just get it while I'm there, but I never want to walk around with the bag them. I'm gonna prepare some chicken. I get some breast. So I'm gonna use that as burger meat. And I think that will be my dinner for the next couple of days. After what's something the name? After my stew chicken run out, because I still have stew chicken from the excess when I cut off my chicken, because say chicken breast kind of pointed, shaped like a teardrop. So I go any little piece when I cut off, I just use that to make some nuggets. I'm gonna get some fries and them things. I hear need to wash, so I have to go pull out it today. But I can do it again. Wash down some of the dinner from yesterday. Brown stew chicken with the dumpling festival. I'm telling you, I put some cinnamon powder in our festival. I think I put enough sugar in it. And I feel like that would have sell it more. But it tastes good. It tastes good.
So I have that for lunch now. I spend most of the day I write the script for the final reaction video for I go up on the reaction channel. They want to make it just a long video. So I think it could be about maybe like 15-20 minutes, which is good for a finale. Hopefully there are no problems in it and YouTube no bother me and stress me out. And you know, everybody enjoy it. Festival might look a little darker than usual because of the cinnamon powder. Shit that hot. I think I found a way to reheat fried dumpling festival. I will put it back in an oil for about like 3 minutes. Just to bring it back to life. Anyways, I'm gonna have my phone. And then, if anything, me link on the back. See it right here, so? Just film the final episode of the reaction videos. 10 seasons. Lee, man. 10 seasons of reactions. Thousands of videos. If I'm going to do reactions, it is going to be on the Patreon. Reflecting and thinking back, man. It has been such a long time doing reaction videos, bro. Couple years well. Big up all the people that will tune in for watch that. But we are going to move on. We're going to move on to some other content, you see me? It was a journey. I'm going to give thanks for the success of it. And I think it has run its course. On YouTube. For the people who still want to see it, it will be on Patreon. Woo! Tired. That was the longest reaction video I have ever done. Want to see like how long it gonna be after I'm done edit. Yeah, but I can't edit it right now too. I'm tired. It's gonna be like tomorrow. And for dinner tonight we're having what? More stewed chicken with rice this time. I have some more left. I think I could probably save that for both Sunday. And tomorrow I'm eat some local, I don't know, but not stewed chicken. Oh shit! Yo, my hairstyle's still there. I never bother wash my head. I'm gonna do it tomorrow though, for sure. Which Atta's out there with the tiny fingers we can catch. The freaking crosses. Yo, my God. Top of the morning to you vlog. It's a new day. Still got our little friend from with the clothes off. You probably wonder like why me in all of this, you know? And the place is hot, you know, but early morning now, so it's extra cool. Like almost 6 o'clock. I'm up. I edit the reaction video for the finale of reaction videos. Like I said that I go up Sunday. But me in this because mosquito crosses. I can't get a little break. I sit down here so them a round my foot. Them a come on my ears. Brother, I don't want to hear your mixtape. Left me alone. So I have to put on all of this. But I can't keep it on for too long because as soon as the sun come up, the place start cook. So I have to just try get as much done as possible, as quick as possible. So that I can take it off when I right time. But for now, this is it. Take a look at break. It's what 7:40 something, you know. Take a look at break because this really can like to be stuck. Well, not stuck, but sitting like editing for quite some time. When I start this, I did like 6 o'clock, and it's 2 hours later. I'm almost done. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11 videos left. So far it's looking like it's gonna be about 15 minutes. That is what my timeline is looking like. I'm just praying that we can have some peace when it's time to render, as in JPS now. Forgot the thing. Paper. But finally done edit. Wow, man. It was a lot of work. But let's see what I go on. The move up on my head top, brother. I'm gone in my beard. Yeah! Help me! Somebody help me, please! I'm gonna go on here, man. I'm mad thing, man. This is how I used to my beating. I tell you, that's the highlight I got bust big. I have 2 more things left to do. I need to film my intro for the people that are on Patreon, because them are gonna get the video before everybody else. And put that in it, and render it, upload it, then also film a different intro for the people that are on YouTube. Those are the 2 things that I have left to do. I may also want to make a next reaction video, because somebody pay for some promo. Someone want to get that there promo they done for them for YouTube. And then can just easy back. The place dark up because you don't know how my like a vibe this way get me working. The time is now, I think it's like about 9:30. So I have been at this for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Wow. Oh, me that say me I get some food, right? Me's a man me like to get all I work out of the way first before me eat. So I feel like I gotta just film the intro them now and then get some food and chill. A lot of people don't even know that I have this voice right here. I got like a bubble stuck in my throat, so my voice sounds a little bit weird. And I'm cool with that, you know? And I just wanted to like capture it. As you can see, I'm just here, I'm chilling. It's weird, I know. God damn. I held it for as long as I could. Yo, rain a fall, people, me a sweat. Can see they are 100%, you know. But you know, stop yet. I'm just now want like go ahead. Yeah, sweat! Yeah, sweat, brother. You done. You done. You done. You done. God is good. I think we're going to try render the other version, you know. Yo, I don't know about you, but right now, I better call me. Yeah, man. Perfect time to go all asleep, and that I feel like I'm going to do right now. Love when rain after all. I don't know if I can see it on my face, but I did. I did take that nap. Lovely. So immune to love, and it feels so priceless to me. Sorry about the flakes that may I drop on here. Not on purpose. I know one, yeah. You know, I think of all of them that, yeah, this look like a style we can beat, you know, look at this, brother. Yo, this can mother be road. You know, look on the curl them. Gee! See me? Not a very good beauty YouTuber. So guys, yeah, this Muse. It's a shampoo with Muse. It's the conditioner. I doubt the real Tresemme this gone me eye. Because it was too affordable. I find it shiny, man, me buy. Shampoo my hair twice, put in the conditioner and leave here and just build back for 15-20 minutes, then wash it out. I don't like to scratch my head, but sometimes I do, you know, just get in there, remove up the flakes if there are any flakes on them thing like that might do a good job. Soap in my eye. But then I like to use my finger tip here so and just massage my scalp, you know. Rubby. Get in there, you know. And if you don't see the length of my hair, you can grab it. Can't really look. But, it's grabbable. Let me just try showing you the length of my hair. How tall a bird. But then when you want to cool out, I eat shrinkage, brother. Be shrinkage. Yo. Usually comb me out when it had condition. Shrinkage is real. Going with a generous amount of, you know what I mean? A lot of hair, man. Like a lot of hair. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to start rubbing more products in my hair. See like the dead hair them and them thing there. But this is not really a lot. Something I figure out that a lot of women like is their head getting scratched and also massaging of their head when it is being washed. And I've heard, you know, from multiple sources that this is a service that women would pay for. I'm starting a business. Kevin's head washing and head scratching
service. I come through that thing here to me here, you know, yeah. Side them not really tall, so I know nothing for go so rope traps. Need a pick. You know, next time I go to that place, then I'll check if they have none. Make this chill in my head for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And then circle back and wash it out. But that chick says she's simple. Yeah. Don't wash me then, I'll make it go and dry, you see me? And then rub it up. It's funny how this take me so long to do, but like 20 minutes with the videoing of the clips, not the in between of waiting with the condition. And then probably I could just say 1 minute of footage. Filmmaking is a crazy thing, you know. Marijuana, marijuana. I said I'm talking about this ghetto girl. About the Texas. My mind does off a while ago. I try to figure out what I'm gonna be for dinner. I have not been working out, you know, but I don't look too shabby. I'm still at about 185, maybe even a little bit less. And the reason why I stay down there so because when I eat, I when I not eat. I don't look too shabby. I have on my pants YouTube, so nobody do no foolishness and flag me. I'm in my pants. The chicken when I cut up yesterday. After I cut out the meat, what I'm going to use to make some chicken sandwiches. But they have some strips, and I cut up the strips them. And I think I'm going to just do some popcorn chicken type setting with some rice. And then I have my nice gravy. I'm going to go put on that. So I think that's going to be dinner. Blood? What? Ice cream, make your poopy ice cream. Alrighty vlog, this is the finished product. You know, we got the popcorn chicken, that's what I call it. Why can't tell me nothing? So who? My bad man with the sesame seed them. I think the sesame seed they expired, but me no business. And we got it on a bed of white rice. Yeah, that's gonna be dinner. I'm gonna mash this down. So yeah, I guess there's a little more.